this video, I will show you how to trade on Trading 212 for beginners. And please be aware that this video does not contain any financial or stock trading advice. Trading is a risk always, and you should make your own choices in everything that you're purchasing. So this video is only made to show you how this application works. So let's not wait any longer and dive into this video. Well, of course, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have an account in Trading 212 and that you have set this up all the way so that you have no restrictions. And once you have that, you can actually start trading. And I will show you how you can trade later, but first I'm going through the app. So first you have this home tab, and in here you will see some conversations about things that are going on at the moment. So you have basically people that are posting this on the platform. So right now it is set to news, but you can also set it to top winners. And here you will see the top winning assets. You will see the top losing assets as well. You will see the global markets. You will see the most owned shares, new on Trading 212, and your own watch list. So you can just click on the plus to add something you want. So you can add your own watch list for some stocks that you want to keep an eye out for. So that is everything there is to say about the home tab. If you click on this tab in here, you will see all of your assets. And when you want information about your assets, then you can just go ahead and click on them, and then you will see everything that is going on with this asset. So you can see the race, and you will always see your shares, the amount, and you will see your return and your losses. So when you click on the share, you will also see information and news about this share. So you can just go ahead and view everything about that. You can see related pies. So let's say you have an asset like this one, Palantir. You can see in which pies it is in and which pies are doing well at the moment. You can just take a look at the revenues. And when you scroll down even further, you see the market cap, you will see the revenue and some nice data as well. So if you want to buy it, you're going to click on buy. And once you do that, you need to enter an amount and then click on review order. And this way you can buy assets. And if you want to sell, it works the other way around. Click on sell and then enter the amount you want to sell, and then click on review order and then confirm again. And that is how you can do this as well. If you want to set price alerts, then you can click on this icon in here. And now you can just select a price target. So let's say you want a target when it reaches $100, then you can just click on this and then set this price alert. And then you can make this recurring. So every time it happens, every time it goes below this, you will get an alert. And it works the same way around when you, for example, set this to 120, then you will get an alert every time for this as well. So enough about this, let's go and click on the search icon in here. And in here you can search for assets. So let's go and click on search. And let's say we want to invest in the popular S&P 500. Then we're going to click on S&P, and then we're going to click on 500, then click on done. And in here you will see the two S&P 500 assets. So if you want to invest in them, you can just select the market as well. You can see that these ones are based on the London exchange. And when you scroll down, you will have an Italian exchange in here. And there are also a lot of other exchanges as well. So just go ahead and select the one you like. This one is, for example, in Amsterdam, and another one from London. So just go ahead and select the one you like. And after you do that, you can just click on buy if you want them. And once you do that, you can just enter an amount that you want to purchase. So that is how this works. Now let's move on to this tab in here. And in this tab, you can add a physical or a virtual card from Trading 212 to make transactions with it. So as you can see, I have two cards, one physical and one virtual. And you can also add these to your Google Pay or Apple Pay to make transactions on your phone and to use this as a payment card. What you need to do for this is you need to click on this plus icon, or when it's your first time, you need to click on this tab and then click on get your Trading 212 card now. And then just go ahead and go through the process. And then in the end, you will be able to request your own card. And if you're not sure on how to do this, then go ahead and watch my video where I show you exactly how you do this. So this is about the card, and here you can add friends. This is basically some sort of social platform, and here you can make a post that can appear on the news tab, and other people will post in here as well. And that is basically everything you need to know about Trading 212. So if you want to get started with Trading 212, go ahead and check the link in the description to get started with a nice bonus. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out, and good luck on investing. And again, please note that this video is no financial advice or stock advice or anything. You need to make all of your decisions yourself. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.